Sponsoring your child for Canadian PR. Sponsoring your dependent child for Canadian PR is an important step for many families. The rules can feel complex, especially around eligibility and responsibilities. Today, we'll simplify who can sponsor, who qualifies as a dependent, and how the application works. Let's walk through the key points you must understand. Who can sponsor? You must be 18 or older to sponsor a child. You must be a Canadian citizen, a PR, or a registered Indian. Citizens can sponsor from abroad, but PRs cannot. You must plan to live in Canada once your child becomes a PR. Income requirements apply only if your child has their own dependents. When you cannot sponsor, you're ineligible if you owe immigration loans or support payments. You cannot sponsor if you defaulted on a past undertaking. Bankruptcy, certain criminal convictions, or social assistance, non-disability, also block eligibility. People facing removal orders or in jail cannot sponsor. Some restrictions differ for Quebec residents. Who qualifies as a dependent child? A dependent child is under 22 and not married or in a common law relationship. Children over 22 may qualify with a long-term physical or mental condition. They must be financially dependent since before age 22. They must stay eligible until IRCC finalizes their application. They must also be admissible to Canada. Sponsorship undertaking. Sponsors must provide financial support during the undertaking period. This includes food, housing, clothing, and non-covered health needs. You must prevent your child from needing social assistance. The undertaking lasts 10 years or until age 25 for minors. For dependents 22 or older, the undertaking lasts 3 years. Application process. 2 applications are submitted together: sponsorship and PR. Everything is completed online through the PR portal. You must show that the other parent or guardian gives permission. Dependent children must list their own dependents. All forms, documents, and fees must be submitted together. Required documents and fees. Use the IRCC package and upload all required documents. Police certificates are needed for dependents 18 plus who have lived abroad. The fee is $255 plus biometrics for ages 14 and up. An extra $175 applies if your child has dependents. Processing times vary by the child's country. Sponsoring a child in Quebec. Quebec has its own rules and application steps. You must apply to both IRCC and Quebec's MyFi. The rules governing lengths and income differ from those in other provinces. Quebec currently isn't accepting applications for dependents 18 plus until 25th June 2026. Applications sent before then are returned with refunds. Conclusion. Sponsoring your child for Canadian PR requires careful preparation, but the process becomes clearer once you understand the rules. Knowing your eligibility, responsibilities, and each step of the application process ensures fewer delays. With the right documents and planning, you can reunite your family in Canada smoothly. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.